man. Oh, this is my brother. That's my sister. David, that's Jelisse.
Jelisse.
I'll put their Instagrams up. That's important. They're on YouTube now. So. Where are we going, guys?
Pincho Factory. It's a
Burger place. Best burgers in Miami? Let's put it to the test.
Can we lock the door, please?
Grab the wrong keys. Good. Okay. Off to a good start. Are these my keys? Yes, these are my keys. You're gonna close the door. I have a camera in my hand.
I was busy.
You're being attacked. So I can tell that these are my keys because I have Luffy on them, right?
I can tell that these are my keys because there's a shark on them named Bruce.
Hello.
Oh, Bruce.
Exactly.
All right, let's go. After you. Ooh. Almost closed the door on you. Sorry about that. That's pretty cool. So what do you get?
I get the great burger.
You gotta get the Perfecto burger.
I've heard that the Perfecto is good. The Pincho burger is good.
Yeah?
I've heard the Tostón burger is good. I haven't tried these. I'm just saying what I've heard.
You get the same thing every time? You don't mix it up?
No.
Monterey Jack. I don't like onions though.
Not for that often, but I mean.
Oh, they have so much. What is a fritanga?
Veggie burger. I've never tried that.
It's gonna be good. They also have like the bowls and the kebabs and stuff.
Yeah, but I mean, we're here for burgers. You said the best burgers in Miami. I'm gonna try it.
The fries are separate too. The fries are really good.
Okay.
I was dancing in the back while you were looking up. I was like, I'm always dancing.
There's always some weird thing happening in the back of my videos.
The lady that was walking back.
That's my favorite. There's so many people that haven't seen that.
I know.
There's in one of my earlier videos, I'm talking to the camera and there's this lady who shows up and she just stands facing the camera and starts walking backwards. It's one of the best moments ever. All right, let's get some food. So they give us a number and then they come and bring us our food.
Ow! I bruise easily. Don't hit me.
You're gonna have a weird like ring-shaped bruise.
See that beard?
Don't mess with me. I might be tiny, but I'm feisty.
I didn't mean to push you that hard. Sorry.
You just want to bully me on the vlog.
I can't help it. I'm sorry. It's that big brother mentality.
I should have pretended that I hurt myself.
Well, I'm glad you didn't. Because you're not a liar.
I'm an actor though.
Yeah, you are. She's an actor.
This is the microphone.
Yeah, it's a microphone.
Yeah, I was smelling
So I
it.
can hear
I
everything
kept
I'm
sniffing
saying.
it. I was like,
Smelling the microphone?
like 5 times in the car. I was like,
You know what this thing is called?
the fluffy thing?
Yeah, the fluffy thing. It's called a dead cat. So you were smelling a dead cat. Gross. There was another one of my trips where a monkey came up and he snatched it off my camera.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
He just took it right off the camera.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Yeah. Check in once the food comes.
Forever.
I'm definitely recording. If you thought I wasn't recording, you were sorely mistaken. I'm always down for a good Sandlot reference. Break it down.
Our food is here.
Oh, sorry, I'll just get out of the way. Who can in here?
Great burger, no grilled onions. And then we got the Perfecto burger with Perfecto fries. There we
Right
go.
there.
You guys all good?
Yeah, great. Thank you so much.
Little fries. Look at that.
These look incredible.
I don't like pickles.
I don't like pickles. I don't want to be around them. Here we go. Best burger in Miami. Coming up. I got the Perfecto burger with bacon. I did not get the caramelized onions, but take a look at that. Okay. It's really good.
Would you say it's the best burger in Miami?
I would say like, it's not quite like gourmet restaurant burger,
Right.
but it's way better than any fast food you're gonna get.
Yeah.
It's really, really good.
When we were in California, the first thing we ate was In-N-Out.
Mm.
And because, you know, like people were like, oh yeah, In-N-Out's the best. And we tried it and we were like, this is what the hype's about? Like,
I had the same feeling. We're gonna start fights on the internet, guys. It was good. It was okay. There was probably too much hype around it.
yeah.
But Pincho Factory here in Miami, it's pretty good.
Are they only in Miami?
Oh, I don't know.
What, Pincho? Yeah.
Hey, Mo, how's that burger?
It's really good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice and gooey. Ketchup is overrated.
See, I'm not a huge fan of onions.
Me either.
Got some sweet potato tots as well. Those are delicious. They have a couple different flavors for fries,
I always go with classic. Classic's my go-to
and also a giant sign that says "Never Settle."
for no reason.
It's a cool message.
Yeah, it's just random.
It's just so random in the middle of this like burger restaurant. All in all, pretty good burgers. Yeah.
Pretty good, yeah. Maybe not the best.
Maybe not the best in Miami, but you know,
They were pretty good.
they were pretty good. I'd say like at least a 7 out of 10.
Give them a
Yes.
7.
Solid 7.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just saw a car that we think is our mom and dad, which would be hilarious to me. You guys really love Pincho.
That is the-
It is them?
I'm pretty sure.
Are you serious?
It is that.
Why are you following us? We're finished.
Did you guys eat already?
Yeah, we already ate.
I guess we all had the same taste.
Yeah, they were all like, "Oh, let's go to Pincho. It's our favorite." I just think it's so
I
cute.
saw your-
All right, bye. Love you.
All right, bye.
Enjoy your date night. Those cuties. They've been married for 35 years.
Yep.
36 years.
Still going.
Yeah, so that's pretty
They
cool.
ain't gonna stop.
They
Never gonna stop.
they made the mold. It's pretty cool.
You want to sit in the front?
Yeah.